Hi, in this video, we'll install the Collaborative Designer for SOLIDWORKS to connect your desktop installation of SOLIDWORKS to the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. Let's get started. Verify that you are logged into your personal tenant and have the Collaborative Designer for SOLIDWORKS role assigned to you. Select this role to reveal the associated apps. Click the drop-down arrow next to Design with SOLIDWORKS. The steps for downloading the 3DEXPERIENCE launcher appear. Select the blue button to download the MSI file. When this download is completed, select the file from your browser downloads. Select Next to proceed with installing the launcher. For expediency, we will leave the installation folder in the default location on the C drive. Click Finish to complete the installation of the 3DEXPERIENCE launcher. Returning to the Welcome dialog box, select Continue. Select Always on the next pop-up to allow the launcher to run whenever it is needed for various platform applications. You can now install the Design with SOLIDWORKS connector. Two options will appear for this install. The faster option is to install all roles containing Design with SOLIDWORKS. So for this example, we will click this. The dialog box for this installation will first require you to select Next to begin the installation. Select Next again to confirm that your operating system is compatible with 3DEXPERIENCE's cloud requirements. Leaving the installation folder in the default location on the C drive will produce the best results in your everyday use. If this is your first time installing the connector, the screen to install a local vault will look slightly different. For best results, leave this installation in the root of the C drive and click Next. Select your desired language and click Next. Finally, select Install and then click Close upon completion. You can now select the Design with SOLIDWORKS app to launch the desktop application. This only needs to be launched from the browser after the initial install. After this, you may choose to launch SOLIDWORKS from your desktop. If your Windows Firewall notifies you that it has blocked 3DEXPERIENCE access, please allow it. You will also need to ensure that the add-in for 3DEXPERIENCE is enabled inside of SOLIDWORKS. To do this, select the drop-down next to the Tools icon and toggle 3DEXPERIENCE to make it an active add-in. It is recommended to toggle the Startup box as well. After a few moments, you should see the green box with a check mark at the top of your screen, indicating that SOLIDWORKS is connected to your 3DEXPERIENCE platform.